Okay, let's get straight to the point. You've heard about Spaceship, the Australian investment platform, and you're wondering if you can use it even if you're not an Australian resident. It's a common question, and the answer isn't as simple as a yes or no. The short version is, probably not, but there are a few key details to understand. Spaceship has two main products. First, there's Spaceship Super, which is their superannuation product. In Australia, superannuation is a compulsory retirement savings system, and it's specifically for Australian residents. To be eligible, you need to be an Australian resident for tax purposes. If you're not living or working in Australia, this product is off limits. It's a key part of the Australian financial system, and its regulations are very strict. Then there's Spaceship Voyager, which is their investment platform for individuals. This is the one many people outside of Australia ask about. The eligibility criteria for Spaceship Voyager state that you must be an Australian tax resident and have an Australian residential address. So, even if you are an Australian citizen living overseas, you likely won't be able to open an account. The reason for these strict rules is due to financial regulations and legal requirements. Different countries have different tax laws and financial services regulations. Platforms like Spaceship are licensed and regulated to operate within Australia and, to stay compliant, they can only offer their services to people who meet those specific residency requirements. They can't just operate globally without proper licensing in every country, which is a massive legal and logistical challenge. So, for now, Spaceship remains a service for Australian tax residents. If you're a non-Australian looking to invest, the best course of action is to research investment platforms available in your own country. Many countries have similar micro-investing or robo-advisor apps that are tailored to their local markets and financial regulations. It's always best to find a platform that is fully licensed and compliant where you live to avoid any issues.